Well, apparently all your childhood ice cream dreams can be recreated with swirled and dipped cones that you can make at home. Amy Richardson is here to show how. I just want to give you a hug because what is that? That looks amazing.
Well, this is like a new kind of soft serve machine, and you can either make homemade ice cream in it or you can do purchased. So it's really fun. You can just have it swirl down and make soft serve ice cream to your heart's content,
so
right?
This is the new at-home summer ice cream gadget you gotta have.
I think so. I kind of think so, because who doesn't love soft serve? And it's so kind of in style right now, don't you think it is?
Yes.
And then I thought it would.
Did it ever go out of style?
I don't know. I don't know.
Never.
After I was doing it, though, I thought I need to have a job at Dairy Queen because I'm not getting the swirl right.
There's a technique. There's an art.
There is. Yeah. They say actually that they train them to get that little twist on the top.
Oh, really?
Yes.
All right. Goals, aspirations.
But I think that this is just a really fun thing to have. You could do it with parties, or you could just do it for home and for fun.
So I can buy a carton of ice cream at the store, plop it in here.
Put it in here, and then it has some a side where you can put mix-ins in it, and you just push down the lever, and then they mix right into it.
You gonna show us?
Totally.
Amy's been stressing a little bit about that. The timing can be temperamental, right?
Yes. Okay. So here, I'm gonna have you help me. You hold the cone, and I'm gonna do.
Yes, my Dairy Queen manager.
Yes. Get that twist right. Okay, and then you just put it. It's got a little bit of a delay, but you can mix sprinkles into it too. See, the sprinkles can go right into it.
They're falling from the sky.
Yeah, so it's kind of fun. Just a fun little. Look at that sprinkle. You could have a job at Dairy Queen.
Okay, well, yeah, I need a little bit of work.
The wrist flick,
but the sprinkles kind of caught me off guard. They just came sprinkling down from heaven.
Yeah, and it's yummy. Kind of a fun thing to have. I think that what also makes this fun is you can do just anything you want. You don't have to do everything homemade.
Right.
But like if you do one thing homemade, that's kind of fun. Whether it's the ice cream or I put together like homemade sprinkles. That's just kind of fun. You were telling me that it's kind of people are just doing it.
I think it's a thing right now. I'm dripping. I'm dripping. Don't let any of that go to waste. But people are mixing sprinkles to get that right chunky kind of cool.
Kind of how you like it. Yeah, and I thought it would be fun to do like mermaid sprinkles, so I kind of did like mermaid theme.
Are these are mermaids?
You guessed it.
Yes.
So I must have nailed it. And unicorn, of course, which is totally in.
Right.
And then I saw these and I thought that this was the cutest mix. I didn't really know what to call it because it's just so darling, but just what a fun mix.
It's like pink poppy.
Yeah. And then the cones.
And the cones. How did you make these? This is another homemade flair you can put into your ice cream bar.
Okay, so this is just, you can actually do these on a cookie sheet if you want to, or you can do it in a pizza iron. If you do it on a cookie sheet, you just spread it into a really thin layer and on parchment paper, and you just bake them.
What kind of dough are we working with?
Okay, the dough is nothing. It's butter, it's sugar and flour and powdered sugar.
Okay.
And that's kind of it, and a little bit of vanilla.
So really a thin layer in a cookie sheet.
Yeah, you can just spread it out into a round, and then you just bake them, but you have to work fast. Like when they come off the iron, you just have to like fold them really fast, and then you just hold it
for a second. Those homemade tasting sugar cones.
Yes, too. Because they are so good and buttery, and they're just so delicious.
Yeah.
So that's kind of the cones. Now, I thought it might be kind of fun to dip some.
Let's dip.
Because who doesn't love a dipped one, right?
Do you want to try
rolling one up?
Sure.
Okay. Yesterday I was actually burning my fingers, but for some reason today, you want to make sure you catch the end.
Right there?
Yeah, in one of the little things I read, tutorials, it said when you get really good, then it doesn't have a hole on the bottom.
Oh, and you said
Which obviously on the one I made for you had a hole on the bottom.
Listen, I won't hold that against you, but there were a few sad drops of ice cream lost on the floor.
There were.
You mentioned the name of this maker. What is it again?
It's a pizza iron. And the reason I like this instead of like, you can buy actually to make your own waffle cones. Like it's kind of a big round one. I think if you're a serious cone maker, buy it. But if you kind of just want to do it for fun, this also makes great cookies.
Okay,
so these are actually kind of a cookie.
We got the cones, we got the soft serve, we got the sprinkles, we need the chocolate.
Yes.
Let's
dip. So, here we go. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to dip and then dip and sprinkle.
Dip and sprinkle.
And put on the magic, right?
How fun would this be for a party, right?
That's kind of, you know, totally. You know, I'm always thinking of on parties. Okay.
Little ice cream bar.
Which one are you going to do?
I want to go mermaid. We're kind of on an Ariel kick at my house right now.
I love Ariel. She's my favorite.
We wake up singing the ahs. I won't sing them for you. We get enough of that at my house on the daily, but.
So yeah, we were all Little Mermaid at my house.
All into it?
My girls were, yep. So you can just do it like that, set it on some, oh my gosh, that looks so cute. Actually, I think that you could work at Disneyland.
From Dairy Queen to Disneyland. I just got a career upgrade on the spot.
You did. Okay, the last thing that I have that I thought was kind of fun for your ice cream, I actually am in love with it. It's Magic Shell.
What?
It's Magic Shell. So we're just gonna, I think we should just put some
Magic Shell.
Okay, do you remember like the Magic Shell caramel, like when you were younger and you could.
Oh, that you have to kind of crack through the chocolate to get to the ice cream. Yes, yes.
Oh, you know what? I should have done it in a cone. Anyways, I'm getting my Dairy Queen technique down.
Your arms are kind of crossed. It might be hindering your ability.
Okay, but I still did it somehow. Anyways,
pulled it off.
This is like a magic shell. You could do it on the cones. You can do it in a bowl.
Yeah.
Just squirt some on top.
Oh.
It's made with just chocolate and coconut. We have dark chocolate sea salt, or you could do all three.
And that hardens?
Yeah, there's white chocolate coconut, and this is so yummy. The white chocolate might be my favorite.
Oh.
And then it just kind of, well, it just hardens. And then you just have this delicious, you could put some sprinkles on it if you want to.
Of course you can.
And then you've got this fun thing. But it is so yummy when it hardens, and then you just eat it with a spoon, and you could do it on the cones. You can do it anywhere. And it's super simple.
These are your recipes?
Yep, they're all on my website. This is gonna be the summer of ice cream because I love doing ice cream. And so come and check it out.
Where do we find you?
Great Taste Buds. Follow me on Instagram. There will be posts all the time.
You made our day. Those sprinkles are so happy. There you go, an ice cream bar for your next event. And we'll link you over to Amy's website so you can get all of these recipes at your fingertips. Thanks, pretty lady.
Thank you.